What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create this glitch reflection logo reveal animation in After Effects. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. You can grab this template from the Envato Elements page linked in the video description. By signing up for Envato Elements, you get access to this particular template and thousands of additional add-ons, plugins and templates for After Effects and other creative apps. The download process is quick and easy. Once downloaded, you'll find the file in your Downloads folder, usually compressed. On a Windows PC, right-click the zip file and choose to extract it in your Downloads folder. The process is similar on your Mac. After extracting the file, a new folder will open up containing the template file. Drag and drop this project file into your After Effects workspace. In the project panel, click the arrow to expand and view the contents of the imported project. Find and double-click on the composition titled Logo Placeholder to open it up. This is where your logo will sit. If you haven't already, import your logo by dragging and dropping it into the project panel. Then, drag the logo file from the project panel onto the timeline. To tweak the size and position of your logo, select the layer and press the S key for scaling and Shift and P for adjusting the position. Make sure to use a logo file with a transparent background, usually in PNG format. With your logo properly positioned, navigate to the composition labeled Final Comp and double-click to open it. Here, you can preview your logo reveal animation. Keep in mind that the initial playback may be a bit laggy, but once the timeline is fully rendered, indicated by the green line above the timeline, you'll experience smooth playback. To export your project, click on File, then Export, and select Add to Media Encoder Queue. This might take a bit to get visible in the encoder depending on your computer system, but once it's visible in the Adobe Media Encoder, click the Start button to initiate the rendering process. Once complete, you'll have successfully created a captivating glitch reflection logo reveal animation. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.